Biyakan ka, Papa?
Pa. Pa.
Pa!
Sipaan.
Into it. Goed zo.
Pa.
What's this?
Cat.
Kip. It's chicken.
Soon.
What color is this?
Red.
And this one? Why is the chicken like that, lang kay Glon? You do it like this. Okay.
Mama. Oh.
Amoy. Oh.
I know safe it. Sun.
Sun. The sun is still there. What's this?
Good sun.
What's this? Toy sun. Zon. Sun. What's this?
Leg.
Nacy mouse. Kulay.
Good
Rabbit. And this one, what's this? It's a snail. It's an apple tree.
This ogre. Bear.
Bear.
This
Oh.
apple.
It's a bear bone.
Baby. Oh, Pamaka.
Yeah. Wow. Oh, nee, this is the last one. What's this?
Ooh.
Ooh, it's a cow. Ooh.
Mama.
Yeah.
Mama.
After this, we're gonna sleep, ah?
Mama.
See, habol, habol. Blanket. Blanket up. Mama. Sige na, after this one, I'll sleep. What's this?
And I said too.
Okay. Wir zijn de sleutels. Waar zijn de sleutels?
Here.
Ja.
Let's look.
Uy, watch out. Mataga ka. Let's go up na. Let's go up. Where's Papa? Anna. Anna, where's Papa now? Where's Papa? Is Papa where? After that, we go to bed, yeah? After this one?
Nay.
Nee.
No complications.
This one.
Yeah.
This one.
And a bookcase.
Yeah. Okay, sige na.
Mama bookcase ook.
Yeah?
Mama bookcase
Mama, I'll pack a bookje.
Yeah.
You go first. Yeah, you go first. Okay. First page. Wow.
Mama oh.
Okay, me too. Mama. Okay. But Mama's book is small.
Mama book ook.
Wow. What's this?
Apple.
Nee, this one is apple. Yeah. Naday mo. Ingnon ka rin nga magbasa mo libro.
Ati. Bookcase.
Da. Auntie work. Auntie's working. Okay, give up dahil siya. Let's go up na.
Neck.
Say goodnight to Auntie now. Sige na. Mag-toothbrush na ka.
Ana.
Ana, tana putsa.
Ana. Siya. Yeah.
Patay ta, ani. Anik ba?
Bookcase.
Yeah, ano
Okay.
bukyalesa. My God. Tingnan nyo naman yan, guys. Oh my God.
Bookcase.
Yeah, okay, yeah. That's good. Hello. Pagod na ang mukha. Ano? It's that. Yeah, that one. Yeah. Come. It's Friday and wala yung papa ni Anna. Iniwan si Anna. Iniwan kami. Char. Iniwan. Yeah, that's food. Iniwan kami, guys. It's been a long day. Right?
Ano bookcase?
Yeah. So, yung papa ni Ana is with colleagues. They're away overnight. Ano pa yun? Bukas pa yun uuwi ng siguro mga gabi na siya uuwi. Umalis kanina mga alas 9 yata siya pinick up ng boss niya. Ano kasi sila, may company outing sila, out of town sila. Medyo malayo dito. Sa amin mga almost, mga over 2 hours yung drive. And yeah. It's his first time to be away overnight. First time niyang iniwan si Ana. First time niyang hindi uuwi ng bahay tonight. But yeah, he needs it. Kasi kailangan din niya ng me time. Yeah, that's good. So, after magbasa ni Ana, kasi gustong-gusto niya magbasa every night. Medyo may ubo pa din. Si Ana din medyo may ubo pa. But yeah, after this, after magbasa ni Ana, akyat na siya. Tapos mag-brush na siya. Mag-brush na ng teeth and then matulog na siya. So, i-continue ko tong vlog na to tomorrow. Magtataba. I need to work tomorrow. Siguro mga 4 hours lang siguro. Iwan ko si Ana sa auntie niya. Good luck sa auntie. Iwan ko sila ng mga 4 hours siguro or a little bit more kasi magbabas lang ako tomorrow man. I'm not sure how the weather is tomorrow. Hindi ko pa na-check. But, sabi. Yeah, that's that one. Ne? You just put it back if you don't like it. Yeah? We already used it. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so, if you notice, si Ana, nagsasalita siya ng Dutch, pero nag-i-English din siya minsan. This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. This is from Krautvat Lab. Ina-try kong mag-English lang muna sa kanya, although yung instinct ko is mag-basic Dutch na sa kanya. Yan, nipo ako. I'm sorry, love. Nag-iingnan ko na yun. Ay, kuhaa, ma. Ay, kuhaa. Hindi na po siya pahikap. So, nada-Dutch po siya na nag-i-English siya, pero most of the time when she tries to talk to us, she speaks in Dutch. Naiintindihan ko naman kasi super basic baby talk pa lang naman si Ana, no? May mga simple sentences na po siya. Na talaga siya, nagsasalita na. Although, sometimes hindi straight, pero nagsasalita na siya. What's that? She can already tell us what she wants or when she complains about something. So, yeah, alam na namin ba?
What's that?
What's that? What's this?
Coffee.
Is that coffee?
No.
Nay.
Passion.
Huh? Hindi ko alam kung ano sinasabi niya. One. You count it. There are numbers inside. No, okay. Siya lang daw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, di ba? Minsan yung numbers in Dutch and in English, minimix niya. So for now, nagmi-mix pa talaga siya ng ibang word. Not all the time naman. So anyways, kita-kita na naman tayo bukas, no? I-continue ko tong vlog na to. Kaspa ko, guys. May ako. What's kaspa in Tagalog, Day? I don't know how you say it in Tagalog, but it's kaspa, dandruff. Dandruff. Sa Tagalog, hindi ko alam, guys, kung anong Tagalog ba. Basta yun na. Ha? Lagi? Okay ba sa Tagalog? Ay, balakubak. O, char. Sure ka, Day? Sige. Basta kasi palamig na kasi, guys, makita nyo. I noticed that dandruff na lang ko, no. May talaga, may maraming instances na mas madaling sabihin yung word sa English kasi lalo na yung mga salitang ganyan, balakubak. Hirap naman yung balakubak. May pag dandruff na lang, no. Kaspa. Basta pa iba na yung season, palamig na, nagkaka-dandruff ako ulit. Tapos pag pa-summer na naman ulit, nagkaka-dandruff. So, kill. What's that? See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, Anna. See you Anna, see you tomorrow. What's that? Anna, see you tomorrow. Good night. Good night.
What's that?
Slap lecker. Doy.
What's that?
What's that? Sama doy.
What's that? What's that?
Oh, gigana siya nagtanaw si ang naong, day ba? See you tomorrow. Say, see you tomorrow.
Passion.
Wala. Duy, duy. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, love.